Welcome to the Data Science Mastery Programs, designed in collaboration with IBM and IIT Patna Vishlesan I-Hub Foundation. Choose your path from 3 industry-ready tracks: Advanced Certification in Data Science Bootcamp, Professional Certification with Generative AI, or Full-Stack Data Science with Gen AI and Agentic AI. Our program overview highlights a curriculum designed by IBM and IIT experts and delivered by BIT, bridging academic theory with industry demands. We offer tailored pathways for every stage of your career, including instructor-led training, hands-on labs, and dedicated mentor support. Compare the 3 certifications to choose the track that aligns with your goals. The Bootcamp is ideal for beginners, Masterclass for professionals upskilling, and Full Stack for AI builders. The Masterclass, our most popular, includes deep learning and generative AI skills. This detailed comparison shows the duration and certifications for each program. The Full Stack track, lasting 9 to 12 months, includes 15 total certifications and exclusive features like Agentic AI and LLMs, targeting senior AI engineer roles. Assess the difficulty and time commitment required for each track. The Bootcamp is beginner level, requiring 10 to 12 hours per week. The Full Stack is advanced, requiring 15 to 20 hours per week, and has prerequisites like ML basics or experience. The curriculum breakdown details the modules. The Bootcamp covers Python, SQL, and machine learning fundamentals. The Masterclass adds deep learning and generative AI. The Full Stack track includes advanced topics like LLM architectures and agentic AI tools. Earn globally recognized credentials. Depending on your chosen track, you can receive up to 13 IBM badges, 1 IIT program certificate, and 1 BIT internship letter. These are verifiable digital credentials recognized by top employers. Unlock high-growth roles in India's booming data and AI economy. Targeted job roles range from data analyst for bootcamp graduates to AI engineer for full-stack graduates. Salary expectations range from 4 to 8 LPA at the entry level to 20 to 40 plus LPA for senior professionals. This 8-step learning pathway shows a structured progression from foundations in Python and SQL to advanced topics like agentic AI. The roadmap culminates in certification and career launch support, including resume building and mock interviews. View the typical career progression path for data science professionals. The Bootcamp prepares you for entry-level roles, Masterclass for mid-level data scientists, and Full Stack for senior roles like AI engineer and Gen AI architect. Our placement services provide end-to-end career support. This pathway includes profile onboarding, skill readiness, portfolio building, and mock interviews, ensuring you meet the placement assurance criteria for success. Build an industry-aligned portfolio with our projects and case studies. Projects range from retail sales EDA in the Bootcamp to advanced LLMQ and ARAG pipelines and agentic workflow systems in the Full Stack track. Progressive skill acquisition covers core competencies. Data literacy, programming in Python, statistics, and machine learning deepen with each track, while deep learning begins at the intermediate level. Generative and agentic AI are specialized in the Full Stack track. MLOps and deployment skills are exclusive to the Full Stack. Business and soft skills, critical for professional development, are integrated across all 3 tracks. The program covers a comprehensive stack of tools and technologies. You will master Python libraries like Pandas and NumPy, deep learning frameworks like Keras and TensorFlow, and advanced tools for Gen AI, big data, and MLOps. The tool introduction timeline shows the strategic rollout of 37 industry-standard tools. Phase 1 focuses on the core Python stack and foundational ML. Phase 3 introduces the Gen AI stack and exclusive full-stack tools like Spark and Databricks. The Full Stack track includes exclusive, advanced tools for enterprise-scale AI implementation. You will gain proficiency in big data tools like Apache Spark, AutoML platforms such as Databricks and DataRobot, and AI productivity tools like Claude AI. The certification showcase highlights the verifiable credentials. You earn IBM digital course badges for each module, alongside an IIT certificate of completion and a BIT program credential and internship letter. Our program benefits include a comprehensive support ecosystem. You receive 24/7 access to the IBM BIT LMS portal, hybrid instructor-led training, dedicated mentorship, hands-on labs, and job placement services. Our alumni success stories demonstrate career transformations. Kajal, Rajul, and Anjali achieved significant role shifts and salary hikes, proving the program's effectiveness in launching and advancing careers at top global companies. Ready to start your future in data science and AI? Follow the admission roadmap, choose your track, schedule an advisor call, and complete your onboarding. Secure your spot in the upcoming cohort and apply now.